So my front chain derailed, and somehow I managed to get caught between the chainring and the crank, but there's a pin here that's supposed to prevent it from doing this, but somehow it got through. But because the pin is there, I can't get it out, so I'm gonna need to break the chain and yeah, just thread it out and then fix the chain links. Great. And I was running late for the ferry, definitely gonna miss it now. Good times. Let's face it, I underestimated the amount of climbing that would be required. Up, up, up and up we go. 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 Anyway, just try to find a pub, go grab dinner. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now, and it just keeps on going up. The only good thing is that the ferry requires water, and water is the ocean, which means we're gonna go down. Down, 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 and down we'll go. Eventually. So my leg is hurting pretty bad, but I just had the best fishing trip of my life in a little pub by the ocean, and this is absolutely crazy nice here. Just look at this valley, so amazing. So nice, so nice. Alright, so it's like 10 p.m. Just arriving to the ferry terminal now. Been up since 4:30 a.m. Had 4 hours of sleep. I'm really tired now. I'll go try to sleep on one of those plastic benches at the terminal or something. Warm and dry, because it's been raining for the past little while. At least I managed to stay warm, but I don't want to spend the night outside, so find a spot inside somewhere nice, cozy. Comfort, well, we'll see about that, but warm and dry is what's important right now. All right, let's go to bed. I'm done.